Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to introduce you to Google AI Studio. So how do you access Google AI Studio? Just come to your browser and look for Google AI Studio.google.com. This is the web URL for it. AI Studio.google.com. Then it takes you to the AI Studio, the Google AI Studio, and here we are. This is Google AI Studio, and everything you need to know about the Google AI Studio is right here. So I'm going to go through it one by one. You're going to be able to do a whole lot of things, and I'll show you how to go about creating different sort of magic with this Google AI Studio, from how you can use it to build a lot of things, to how you can use it to generate media, so how you can use it to build, and everything you have to do with Google AI Studio. I'm going to show you in this very course. But this is the interface of the Google AI Studio. This is where you are going to run your prompts from. Is quite different to what we've been seeing on Gemini. Gemini is just the AI version, the conversational version of this Google AI Studio. But this now is more advanced, and if you want to really do stuff with Google AI Pro, you need to use Google AI Studio to do a lot of things. So this is where the chat prompt is, and this is where you can actually utilize the full multimodal functionality of Gemini. And here we have the sample media, we have take a photo, we have upload image, we have upload file, and you could give access to your drive. So you could even run a code, you could do a lot of things. But we're going to see the little things we can do, some of the things we can do with Google AI Studio, and how we are going to go about navigating it one by one. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.